You've probably seen those TikToks, buying EV charger and then making $1,000 per month doing nothing.
Level 2 EV charger that produces a passive income for us every single month.
Plug it in, cash it out. Sounds easy, right? But here's the thing, if something sounds too electric to be true, it probably is. Let's break down what it really takes to make money out of electric vehicle chargers. First thing first, market math. So EV adoption is exploding. We're talking about 40 million new chargers by the end of 2030. But most of these are private use, not for profit generation. So if you want to have the public ones, it would be a level 2 costing $1,000 to $2,000 each, plus $2,000 to $3,000 each for wiring, permits, electricians, etc. etc. So it's pretty expensive. In other words, it would cost $3,000 to $5,000 upfront before the first car even plugs in. By the way, this is Finance Panda channel. We save you time and money by analyzing the hottest business ideas on the internet. Subscribe now and don't miss out the next one. Second, the promise. TikTokers claim that you can earn $1,000 per month of hands-off income. Is it even true? Each charge gives you around $3 to $5 of profit after electricity and platform fees. So in order to hit $1,000 per month, you basically need to have 200 to 300 charges. That is like more than 10 cars per day, every single day. Well, unless you live right next to the highway, good luck to you. Number 3, let's deep dive into the math. Real-world data shows that this kind of private chargers would get 1 to 3 cars per day. Well, that translates into $90 to $450 per month gross. After expenses, you're left with $50 to $150 per month net. That means that payback period would be 2 to 5 years, if nothing breaks. This is not exactly passive, definitely not get rich quick. Number 4, the fix. What's the solution? Smart owners make the business work by pairing charging stations with destinations. We are talking about a cafe, a parking lot, or even a mini-mart. Anywhere that people will stay for 30 to 60 minutes. In other words, you earn both from charging fees and from your other businesses. The payback period will drop from 5 years to below 2 years. Finally, this is a business that makes sense. So what's my verdict? Well, a charger alone is not going to make you rich. In reality, it is not a passive income. It is just a local small business that has a cable attached. If you treat it like a real business, pay attention to location, marketing, and even doing partnerships, then it can work. Otherwise, you're kind of like powering others' cars for free. So electric vehicle chargers, opportunity or overhyped? Leave me in comments below if you have tried. Subscribe now for more analysis of business ideas to save you time and money. See you next time.